If you're looking to turn off notifications on your Xoom 2026 device, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Follow these simple instructions to manage your notification settings effectively. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the main menu on your Xoom 2026 and locate the Settings app. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu where you can adjust various device options. Step 2. Navigate to Notifications. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications option. Select it to view all the notification settings available on your device. Step 3. Select App Notifications. In the Notifications menu, you will see a list of apps installed on your device. Choose the specific app for which you want to turn off notifications. Step 4. Disable Notifications. Once you have selected the app, look for the option that says Allow Notifications or similar. Toggle this option off to disable notifications for that particular app. Step 5. Repeat as necessary. If you want to turn off notifications for additional apps, repeat steps 3 and 4 for each app you wish to modify. By following these steps, you can easily manage and turn off notifications on your Xoom 2026 device. Enjoy a more peaceful experience without unwanted interruptions.